Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of creating a new account on Facebook. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to start fresh, making a new Facebook account is a quick and simple process. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. On the welcome screen, look for the option that says, Create New Facebook Account. Tap on it to begin the account creation process. Step 3. Enter your first name and last name in the provided fields. Once you've filled in the required information, tap on Next to proceed. Step 4. Enter your date of birth to confirm your age and eligibility for creating a Facebook account. Step 5. Select your gender from the options provided. This step is optional, and you can choose not to select a gender if you prefer. Step 6. Enter your mobile phone number or email address. This information will be used for verification and account recovery purposes. Step 7. Create a strong and secure password for your Facebook account. Make sure to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Step 8. On the next screen, you have the option to add a profile picture. You can either choose an existing photo or skip this step and add a profile picture later. Step 9. Tap on Next to proceed to the final steps of the account creation process. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to make a new account on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.